Vijay, still lost in deep thought?
Ginny, I'm still thinking about how I can grow my money.
Vijay, it is now time to stop thinking about growing your money. You should start managing your money through the process of financial planning.
You are right, Ginny. I need to start planning my finances. Please guide me.
Vijay, the process of financial planning is a continuous cycle. You can start by setting yourself financial goals.
Financial goals?
Yes, Vijay. What financial goals do you want to achieve?
We have to build a house. We also want to buy some jewelry, save for our children's education and marriage. We need to save for retirement and also buy a tractor.
Okay, now figure out what is the time frame for achieving each goal and how much money do you need to achieve each goal. You should calculate how much you need to save monthly to achieve each of your goals. The total will tell you your target monthly savings.
The total looks huge. I cannot get everything I want.
Yes, you cannot, so you have to prioritize your goals.
You are right, Ginny. Prioritization of goals is a must. Not all goals are equally important. For example, it is more critical to save for our children's education than to buy jewelry.
Yes, Vijay. In addition, some goals are long-term, like planning for your retirement, and some are short-term, like buying jewelry. You can try and balance them. Check if you can increase the time period for achieving a goal or decrease the money to be spent on achieving a goal.
Got it. My wife and I will discuss and work on our goals together. What should I do next?
Vijay, in order to assess your financial situation and plan your savings, create a monthly budget for yourself by looking at your financial diary.
Budget?
A budget is a simple statement of your expected income and your expected expenses. The budget should be realistic and cover all items of expenses, including recurring and occasional expenses. Make sure you account for all your loan payments and premium payments in the budget.
Okay, understood. And then I should analyze my budget like we had discussed earlier. I have to cut down expenses on wants and try and increase my income so that I can increase my savings. I will also need to check if I have enough savings in the bank for any short-term emergency.
Yes, Vijay. If you have to meet your goals, you need to save and invest. But before that, you have to make sure that you have bought adequate insurance to protect your family and your assets.
Yes, we are already checking how much insurance we need, both life and general insurance including health insurance. But Ginny, I'm still bothered by my loans.
Vijay, you also need to reduce your liabilities over a period of time. We have discussed wise borrowing earlier. Concentrate on paying off the high-interest loans first. In future, take a loan only if it is really critical. And compare your options before borrowing.
Yes, Ginny.
Vijay, you should also decide where you want to invest your savings. It is an important step. Choose your investment options wisely and consider the risks. Don't forget the golden rules of saving and investing. Do you remember them?
Yes, I remember, Ginny. Start investing early, invest more, and invest regularly.
Good, Vijay. Let me stress again. Financial planning is a continuous process. It is not a one-time exercise. You need to keep reviewing your goals and your budget regularly. In fact, you may have to relook at your goals from time to time and make them more realistic depending on your savings and investments.
Thanks, Ginny. Understood. My wife and I will start our financial planning today itself.
That is great, Vijay. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice if necessary while planning. Wish you and your family the very best for a bright and happy future.